Is that thin thing normal? Cause mine does that and I swear I'm thinning. More than likely you're not thinning. What I'm showing you here in my son's hair is his density. Density just refers to how much hair you have on your scalp per square inch. What that will look like is like this. Low density, that just means that there's less hair on your scalp per square inch. Or medium density, you have a little bit more hair. Then you have high density hair. Very common in like afro hair, can't see their scalp. Probably wondering, I have low density, is there anything that I can do? Absolutely. Here's 3 things that you can do to increase your hair density. Keep in mind, hair density is genetic. Number 1, keep your scalp healthy. So that means you're gonna keep your scalp clean, nourished, moisturized. Number 2, follow a healthy diet. So taking in your vitamins as well. Vitamin E, iron, and even zinc. These all can promote healthy hair growth. And number 3, you can look for hair growth products that include things like rosemary. The rosemary is known to stimulate and help circulate the blood flow in your scalp, which can help stimulate a lot of hair growth. You can even do a DIY spray at home and literally boil rosemary leaves and use that water, strain it into a spray bottle and spray it in your hair daily. If you want a full tutorial on that, let me know in the comments and I'll do a tutorial for you.